Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the art of cooking and bring you delicious recipes that are both simple and perfect for busy weeknights. In today's video, we have compiled a mouth-watering collection of 10 easy-to-make recipes that will save you time and energy in the kitchen without compromising on taste. So, let's dive right in. Recipe 1. 1-pan lemon garlic chicken. Our first recipe is a 1-pan lemon garlic chicken that will surely become a family favorite. Start by marinating boneless chicken thighs in a mixture of lemon juice, minced garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Then, pan-sear the chicken until it turns golden brown and finishes cooking in the oven. Serve it alongside a side salad or some roasted vegetables for a wholesome meal. Recipe 2. Sheet pan nachos. Next up, we have sheet pan nachos, a quick and flavorful dish that's perfect for entertaining or a relaxed weeknight dinner. Simply spread tortilla chips on a baking sheet and top them with a generous amount of shredded cheese, black beans, diced tomatoes, jalapenos, and your choice of protein. Bake until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Finish off with a dollop of sour cream, guacamole, and salsa for a burst of flavors. Recipe 3. Veggie Stir Fry with rice. For a healthy and satisfying option, we present a colorful veggie stir fry with rice. Begin by chopping an assortment of colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli florets, carrots, and snap peas. In a hot skillet or wok, heat some sesame oil and add the chopped vegetables, stirring continuously. Cook until the vegetables are crisp tender, still retaining their vibrant colors. Drizzle in a bit of soy sauce and toss to coat the vegetables evenly. Meanwhile, cook your choice of rice according to the package instructions. Once cooked, transfer the rice to a serving dish and top it with the flavorful stir-fried vegetables. Garnish with some chopped green onions or sesame seeds for an extra touch. This veggie stir-fry with rice is a nutritious and satisfying meal that comes together effortlessly on busy weeknights. Recipe 4. Baked salmon with dill sauce. If you're a fan of seafood, this baked salmon with dill sauce is a must-try. Start by preheating your oven to 400 deg F, 200 deg C. Season fresh salmon fillets with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Place the seasoned salmon on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in the preheated oven for about 12-15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. While the salmon is baking, prepare the dill sauce by combining Greek yogurt, fresh dill, lemon zest, minced garlic, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Mix well until all the flavors are well incorporated. Once the salmon is done, serve it hot with a dollop of the creamy dill sauce on top. This delicious and nutritious baked salmon with dill sauce is perfect for a quick and satisfying weeknight dinner. Recipe 5. Capri pasta salad. Our next recipe is a refreshing Capri pasta salad, perfect for those warm summer evenings. Cook your choice of pasta according to the package instructions, then drain and rinse with cold water to cool it down. In a large bowl, combine the cooked pasta with half cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella balls, or diced mozzarella, and torn basil leaves. Drizzle the salad with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic glaze, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Gently toss all the ingredients together until well combined. The vibrant colors of the tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, and aromatic basil create a beautiful and appetizing salad. Serve the Capri pasta salad as a light and refreshing main dish or as a side alongside grilled chicken or fish. It's the perfect dish to savor the flavors of summer. Recipe 6. Taco stuffed peppers. For a fun twist on traditional tacos, try these taco stuffed peppers. Start by preheating your oven to 375 deg F, 190 deg C. Cut bell peppers in half lengthwise and remove the seeds and membranes. In a skillet, cook ground beef or turkey with taco seasoning until browned and cooked through. Drain any excess grease. Stir in cooked rice and black beans. Fill each bell pepper half with the beef and rice mixture. Top with shredded cheese, such as cheddar or Monterey Jack. Place the stuffed peppers on a baking sheet and bake for about 20-25 minutes, or until the peppers are tender and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve the taco stuffed peppers with a dollop of sour cream and garnish with chopped fresh cilantro or green onions for a delicious and satisfying meal. Recipe 7. One-pot chicken Alfredo pasta. Craving a comforting pasta dish but don't want to deal with multiple pots? Our one-pot chicken Alfredo pasta is here to save the day. Start by heating a large pot or deep skillet over medium heat and adding a drizzle of olive oil. Add boneless, skinless chicken breast pieces and cook until they are golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, melt some butter and saute minced garlic until fragrant. Pour in heavy cream, chicken broth, and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Add uncooked fettuccine pasta and cook until al dente, stirring occasionally. Stir in grated Parmesan cheese and chop fresh parsley. Slice the cooked chicken and return it to the pot. Give everything a good toss until the sauce coats the pasta and the chicken is heated through. Serve hot and enjoy a comforting and flavorful one-pot chicken Alfredo pasta meal. Recipe 8. Greek Chicken Gyros. Transport your taste buds to the streets of Greece with this delicious Greek chicken gyros recipe. Start by marinating chicken strips in a mixture of Greek yogurt, lemon juice, minced garlic, and a blend of herbs such as oregano, thyme, and paprika. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes to infuse the flavors. In a hot skillet, cook the marinated chicken until it is cooked through and slightly charred. Warm up pita bread. Then assemble the gyros by spreading a generous amount of tzatziki sauce on the pita, followed by the cooked chicken, sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions. Sprinkle some fresh herbs like parsley or dill on top for an added burst of freshness. Fold the pita bread, and your homemade Greek chicken gyros are ready to be enjoyed. These flavorful and satisfying gyros are perfect for a quick and tasty weeknight meal. Recipe 9. Quinoa salad with roasted vegetables. Our next recipe is a nutritious quinoa salad featuring a medley of roasted vegetables. Toss your favorite vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast them in the oven until they caramelize. Meanwhile, cook quinoa according to package instructions. Combine the roasted vegetables with quinoa, and finish with a drizzle of lemon vinaigrette. It's a colorful and wholesome salad that's ready in a jiffy. Recipe 10. Quick and easy margarita pizza. Last but certainly not least, we have a quick and easy margarita pizza recipe that will satisfy any pizza lover's cravings. Begin by preheating your oven to the highest temperature it can reach. Roll out store-bought pizza dough or use a pre-made crust and place it on a baking sheet or pizza stone. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a border around the edges. Top with slices of fresh mozzarella cheese and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Arrange fresh basil leaves on top for that authentic margarita flavor. Bake in the hot oven until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling and slightly browned. Remove from the oven, let it cool for a moment, then slice and serve. This quick and easy margarita pizza is a crowd-pleasing option for a delicious weeknight dinner. And there you have it, 10 easy-to-make recipes for those busy weeknights when time is of the essence. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, these recipes are sure to save you precious time while still delivering scrumptious meals. Which recipe are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!